Hello friends, in this video we will know about Huawei microwave ring network. So in this video we can know how Huawei microwave ring network works for mobile tower. So as we can see in this video we have one ring that is Huawei microwave ring. Okay, so ring is starting from here. This is main node. Okay, you can see here BSC and RNC. Okay, so we are installing a main node in BSC, and you can also install in RNC. Okay, so as we can see there, we are using here for Jenny node because this is main node. Okay, and from here ring is starting. You can see uh, two uh, two microwave antenna we are using, one from this side or one from this side, because we have to make one ring from here. So as we can see in this video, we are using RTN 950A, RTN 950A, that is RTN 950 advance. Okay, RTN 950 advance. Okay, that is a Huawei equipment. You can see Huawei logo here. So we are using one control card, that is CSHO card, and two transmission card, that is ISV3 card we are using for one microwave antenna. This is microwave antenna, and behind we are installing audio connecting to ISV3 through coaxial cable. So same we are using for the same scenario in this micro antenna also. And from this node to this node we are connecting to a microwave antenna. Okay, you can say electromagnetic wave, through electromagnetic wave. So in far end, this is near end, and this is far end. In far end we are using RTN 910, that is also on RTN 910 advanced, and in this we are using CSHR card. Okay, that is inbuilt ISM6 card. Okay, CSH card is a control card, and in this card is inbuilt card is there, that is ISM6 card. Okay, so we are so ring starting from here, and ring this is near and this is far end. Okay, and again this node consisting two microwave antenna. Okay, from one is this end, and another is this end. Okay, and this microwave antenna connecting to RTN 905E. Okay, we are using two RTN 905E because RTN 905 one is support only one microwave antenna. Okay, and another RTN 905E we are using from for this side. Okay, and here we are using RTN 902E because RTN 902E can support two microwave link. Okay, and that is RTN link. Okay, and that is RTN 905 is inbuilt. We cannot insert any card in this equipment. Okay, because it is a inbuilt equipment. Okay, if RTN 905 went faulty, then we have to replace 905 new. So again I am saying that because this is our main node. Okay, and ring are starting from here to here 905 to 1e, 905 1e to 910, and 910 to ISV3. Okay, so ring are starting from here to here, and now is ending here. Okay, and you can say also ring are start from this side also, but this is a ring, total ring is there, and you can put Jenny node name also, because you can remember if any node went down or audio went faulty. Also you can remember from flight name, but node name you have, then that will be good for troubleshooting. You can see any 21, any 20, 22, any 23, any 24, and any 25. If troubleshooting time, if any audio went faulty at side, then you can tell any ID to transmission team, and they can check everything whatever fault is there, and they can tell to you, and you can reach at site, you can do troubleshooting whatever required is there. We have few point here. You can read also. Optics RT905 is a integrated chassis device and does not support inserted node, as we told you, because RT905 is inbuilt. We cannot insert any board in this equipment. And optics RTN910 advanced support only ISP3 and IMS6 board, because RTN910 advanced then cannot support ISU2 card, because ISU2 card also we are using in RTN910, because that is RTN910 only, that is not a RTN910 A, because RTN910A and RTN910 only, that both are different. Okay. Another we have optics RTN905 advanced does not support IF1 and IFX2 boards. Okay, this equipment will not support this board. Okay, for optics RTN910A, RTN950, RTN950 advanced, RTN980, when XPIC and IF 1 plus 1 protection couple IF 1 plus 1 protection is not configured on the microwave link and configuration tab. So these are point given here. Okay, you can read this point. Okay, and I have also pasted a comment. You can see over here. This is RTN 950 advanced look likes, and RTN 910 advanced, and RTN 905. So these three comment we are using to making this Huawei ring network. Okay, so this video is from Huawei microwave ring network. If you like this video, then you can subscribe my channel if you are new. So thank you guys.